Hello friends, happy Friday. I'm Chief Meteorologist Keith Gibson. About 4:30 today, we do have some showers and storms across our region on an isolated basis, providing some nice relief from the heat. Some spots seeing a lot of sunshine. Now, what activity we do have this afternoon into this evening should generally fade away. Can't rule out some of that lingering into the overnight, but most of the activity diminishes during the evening hours. We're looking at a mild night with lows again in the 70s. For your Saturday, mid to upper 80s, bands of storms. And during the afternoon and evening, we'll have a risk for some isolated tornadoes since we will be on the eastern and northeastern side of Barry as it continues to march inland, likely becoming inland sometime Saturday down in Louisiana. Now, let's talk about Barry's impacts around here. The potential for 2 to 8 inches of rain across our area, perhaps a little bit more. Generally, 1 to 4 inches possible along and east of 45. West of 45, anywhere from 2 to 8. The closer you get to I-55, the higher odds of seeing some of those higher amounts. So flooding and flash flooding issues will be a concern around here. More so Sunday into Monday. Saturday, really not looking at widespread torrential downpours that would cause widespread flash flooding. However, we do expect to see some storms around Saturday, but Sunday and Monday, that's when we may see a big shield of rain move across parts of our region. And again, the tornado threat will be with us from Saturday afternoon through Monday, probably peaking during the daytime heating, but of course something we'll be watching for that entire time frame. And there could be some scattered power outages as well if your backyard, if your soil becomes super saturated with all this heavy moisture coming our way, affecting the ground. So this is the update as of 4 o'clock on Friday afternoon, taking the center of the storm through Louisiana into Arkansas. We, of course, will stay on the eastern side of it. A flash flood watch for areas along and south of 82 in Mississippi that continues through Monday, but all spots are game for rain. Anywhere from 2 to 8 inches, give or take, across our region. And this is just one quick little summary for you. We'll see how this all plays out. 10 to 20 inches plus, the bullseye down in Louisiana. But around here, we still may see some flooding issues. Not so much Saturday. That's going to be focused down to our southwest, in southwestern Mississippi and Louisiana. But as we get into Sunday night, or Sunday night into Monday, that moderate risk for flash flooding is going to extend north into our area. So if you don't have a lot of effects of Barry Saturday, well, stay with it because we may see some on Sunday and Monday. So for our Friday evening, it looks like the showers and thunder showers fade away, and it should be a pretty quiet night for us and a pretty quiet start to our Saturday. But by noon and thereafter, we may start to see more of these bands, these little feeder bands, come on in from the south, from Barry, and those would be the ones that could produce some downpours, thunder and lightning, and some isolated tornadoes. We'll be watching out for that. A lot of that, though, will tend to go away Saturday evening and Saturday night before more of those redevelop here on Sunday. And as we go throughout the day, Sunday into Monday, the core of Barry, the remnants there, could actually be sneaking up across the Mississippi River Valley. So if that deviates back to the west a little bit, the heaviest rain is going to be pulled back to the west. If it goes east, well, the heaviest rain could be shifting into our area. So we'll be watching that throughout the course of the weekend. Upper 80s Saturday, upper 70s. That's it for Sunday, around 80 Monday. So much cooler because of the effects of Barry. But once the remnants of Barry get out of here by the middle of next week, we're back into the upper 80s, the low 90s. And those rain chances start to decrease a little bit. So there's your AccuWeather forecast here on this Friday afternoon. The latest on Barry. We'll have another update for you later today. Join us on TV tonight at 5, 6, 9, and 10 for the full forecast as well.